All right, it's finally here. It is finally time. It is cruise day. It is embarkation day. We are getting on Grandeur of the Seas, which means need to hurry up and get on down to that cruise port so we can board the ship. So let's get going. Go.
Restaurants through the app, so it's very convenient, and it's gonna be once again your best friend here on board the Grandeur. What I'm excited to do today, take the most of your first day here.
All right, so we have made it aboard Royal Caribbean's Grandeur of the Seas. Embarkation was super quick, super fast, super easy. We already grabbed a little bit of lunch. We still have to go down and do our muster drill, and then rooms should be available here in about 2 hours. We're gonna kind of explore around the ship and see what's going on.
Yep.
Alright, so first thing we gotta do is we gotta get our cups for our drink package.
Yes.
You thirsty?
Yes.
Alright, time to do the muster drill.
Yeah, we'll get in line here.
Oh, it made funny sounds. I think they're gonna throw Tiffany off. Now try it. Now tell them.
And that's the muster drill. Easy peasy. Grandeur of the Seas christening ceremony bottle that they did on Friday the 13th of all days, December of '96.
All right, check out this floor. Just want to jump in here. Check out Tiffany, y'all. She has crawled over the bed, across the thing, and is now sitting in the window. They did kind of inconveniently put the bed. It does make it a little hard to get to the window. But as you can see, that did not stop Tiffany.
No, I need a place to read my book.
She's like a little kid. She just hopped right on up in the window. Alright, and here is Royal Caribbean's new cruise terminal. Still currently under construction. But this is where their big ships, Allure of the Seas, and after that Harmony of the Seas will be docking down here. So it's supposed to be open here in just 2 months, but still looks like they got quite a bit of work to do, at least in the parking lot areas over there.
Terminal area too.
see I don't know if you guys can see it, but the Royal Caribbean symbol right there on the roof. What? That's the current progress for the Royal Caribbean terminal. So far, we've had the Coast Guard following us ever since we departed the dock. It's like they're keeping an eye on us or something. He decided to slow down and get his picture taken. Alright, we got the Carnival Breeze right out there with us. I think she's racing us to Cozumel. Ready? TV show number one, baby.
Okay.
We're playing US TV treat.
Yes. All right. TV show number one.
TV show number one. Here we go.
Oh, wait.
Hope he gives us more than that.
Here we go.
We're gonna try again. All right, Tiffany is getting her shopping on. Are you shopping? Shopping?
It's a very small ship. It's a very small shop.
It is a very small shop, as y'all can see. Not very big at all. But that does not stop Tiffany from shopping.
Next over here, you have to hold, you have to shake, and and give the answer, okay? So, you got it? Woo! But now,
One more year closer to death couldn't be the worst way. That smile ain't nothing to you. You make it look so easy. I walked up in here trying to buy a can of beer, but I bought it. I like it when you smile. I like it when you look me up and down and say, boy, you got the time.
now, folks, I'm super excited to have you all here. As the announcement said, my name is Talita. It is my honor to be your cruise director for the next 4 days. Now, folks, this is a very short cruise, so you need to take the most out of it. You need to be out and about and join us.
Hey, hold on, I got an idea. In order for me to juggle real fast, I'm gonna need a lot of energy. I'm gonna see if you can help me with that. It's real simple. All I'm gonna ask you to do is when I count to 3, I need everybody together to clap your hands for me just one time, okay? Everybody ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That was pretty good. Let's try it together this time, guys, all right? It's not that hard. Pay attention. We're gonna do it one more time, but listen, I'm gonna count in Spanish, but don't let that throw you off, okay? Listo, va, una, dos, tres. All right, guys, if you guys don't know how to count in Spanish to 3, I guarantee you that in Cozumel, you're gonna get ripped off. It's not that hard, guys. Dad, this is for you.
Amen.
Hey, he's not gone or anything. He just works up there in the rafters. And now, the very difficult 5 clubs. Hey, that wasn't my fault. The ship is rocking. We don't need no music. We're gonna try it again. Hey, by the way, every time I mess up a trick on like this, like I just did, I will perform the trick again until I get it right, okay? I hope everybody had dinner. Thank you, and now I'm gonna make this trick even more difficult. On fire!
All right, so our first day on board is done, complete, in the books. It is time to go to bed.
Yes.
You ready for bed?
Yes. Shower.
Shower, bed. Hey, but it has been a super fun day. I mean, we had a great day.
Yes.
Great day. So happy to be out and cruising again. Let's see, we played some trivia. We went to
A juggling show.
a juggling show.
Went to dinner.
Went to dinner. Now, we don't have a whole lot of video from dinner. They did put us at a table with 2 other groups. So I did want to do a whole bunch of filming at the dinner table. Seemed a little bit rude. But so we took some pictures, and you guys will have already seen those in the video. But that's why there's pictures instead of video for that. But we're only eating in the main dining room. The one we ate today, and then we're eating in there on the last night. 2 nights in between, we actually have other plans. We'll have other things to show you guys. But we're going to go ahead and shut it down for today. Get a little bit of sleep. Get up tomorrow and do it again. Tomorrow will be a sea day. And we'll just have to see what activities we can get into tomorrow, right?
Yes.
All right. Well, good night, y'all. Have yourselves a really great day.
And as always, we'll see you out on the high seas.